Well, hello everyone, and welcome to a BC Academe Live. I know I say this a lot, but I've really just been blown away by this week's tutorial that our team came out with here. Greg went, I'd say, above and beyond and created a a way to get around a common limitation or a limitation or how to like the result of it, right? The process of how you put together is something that is probably very, you can use in a variety of other things as well. So let's walk through the solution. And of course, in the video, Greg will walk you through exactly how it's done and the ins and outs of it. But let's show the exciting parts off. All right, so if I have a website here, Jerky Links. This is a replicated version of the Jerky Links site. And let's say I'm running out of custom fields here. I'd like to use more than 4 custom fields. What do I do? How do I approach this? Well, Greg created this BC Extended Custom Fields Chrome extension. So check this out. So when I click on this, you can have it's preloaded, and I can put in the values here. So I have extended 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 extended fields here. I have some variables, like I can choose what my delimiter is, and then I can say show liquid true or false, and I'll just turn that to true. And I'm going to go ahead and confirm this and make sure that it's enabled for this site. So when I do that, it's going to refresh the page, and you'll see this little box down here, and you'll go down to more options. And look, now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more extended fields. And you can see how I can call these in liquid. So if I wanted to anywhere else on the page, like, I wouldn't necessarily do in the description, but I can then call these variables just by whatever the name is, just like this. So this is amazing. And so if we just go here, I'll put like my first extra field. Maybe this one I've got a number 26, and you can see how it just constructs and builds the custom for field. So that's the workaround, is we're using the Chrome extension to give the user the ability to enter in other fields, and then we're storing it all into one field with a delimiter, in this case a pipe. And then we're assigning and splitting out the liquid variables for you so that you can just call this field as you normally would. So obviously we'd love just to have additional custom fields, but if you are absolutely in need of more custom fields for Business Catalyst products, then this Chrome extension is definitely the answer for you. So let us know if you've got any feedback on this. This is our first iteration of it, of course, with some field testing out there. We might find that there's some ways to improve it or make it even easier, more plug and play for your clients. But we hope you enjoy this. And again, in Greg's tutorial, not only will you see the full solution, but you'll see how to build a Chrome extension, or some behind the scenes of building a Chrome extension, which I think is just really fascinating in and of itself. So thank you everyone for tuning in. Really appreciate you tuning into these live BC Academe live videos, and of course always appreciate you guys in the community and those pro and free students. So thanks again, and I will see you again soon.